Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I was so in a haste so I couldn't make a proper intro. I'm so sorry, but we are on our way traveling to Akan or Hafia, my hometown. So guys, as you can see, my uncle's car broke down in Uzuit and Ben, the local government area, so we tried fixing it for 2 hours and we finally did. We didn't even drive up to 5 minutes again. The car broke down again in Iberi, though I didn't get the clip, but totally we spent 4 hours on the road trying to fix the car before we continued our journey. Oh my god, thank you Lord for journey mercies. After 11 good hours on the road, this was supposed to be a 2 hours 48 minutes journey, but because of the ups and downs on the road, we spent 11 hours. So I'm so super grateful for life. Thank you Lord Jesus for journey mercies. So guys, I'm about to see the floor, the floor, while she gets other things ready. You guys know her, right? She's Juliet. She's the first person I made I made my first ever YouTube video with her. Yeah. If you've not watched it, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can go and watch it. So I want to see the flower. But typical us, before flower, we call it flop. So, my cousin wants to just do the video.